Smart Chicken Recipes is a website that allows you to plan meals and also generate recipes. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And as you can see, you can add your ingredients, you can go to the recipe generator, and then you can just follow the instructions, cook and enjoy. In any case, I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to go into the recipe generator, and I'm actually going to try this spicy garlic chicken pasta. Let's see what we get here. So spicy garlic chicken pasta. We can choose how many servings we want. We can choose the diet, any sort of difficulty. Let's keep it on medium. Meal type, let's go with dinner, and let's see what else we get here. Oh, okay, you can actually add a few different things here. I'm just gonna click on generate and we'll see exactly what we get here. Okay, cool. So we've got this nice sort of card that's shown up here. We're seeing it's going to take us about 25 to 30 minutes. It says 2 people. You can see the instructions, the tools needed, all that kind of good stuff, as well as the ingredients, of course. And that's all nicely been displayed. We've got some frequently asked questions and some preparation tips. We can also share, copy, download, and print this off if we wish to do so. So this has been very cool, nice and speedy. Yeah, I think definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you got some ingredients and you're like, okay, what can I make? You just generate a recipe using this. And I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Of course, they also have the meal planner. It's also worth looking into, so you can select how many days, how many meals per day, target number of daily calories, and any dietary preferences as well. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.